Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing some fun wintry nails, and I absolutely love the set. And it took me forever to kind of figure out what I wanted to do with the set because I am going to like a winter theme party for planners. If you guys watch my second channel, or technically my main channel, because this is my second channel, I don't know, however you guys want to look at it. So I am taking buttercreams, some color gels, and some glitter gels, all from Light Elegance. I think I use everything from Light Elegance except for like the chrome powder, which I don't know where I got. I'm sorry. But I promise you can literally get them everywhere. Probably AliExpress is where these are from. They were actually given to me, so I don't know. But I think I have another one that I also got from AliExpress, and it is the same thing. I just happen to use this one. So I am putting the base down for the thumb, and I am going to put this semi-matte, like hollow glitter. I know, say that 5 times fast, but not actually, because it's not confusing. But the fact is that there's such beautiful matte glitters in here. And then there's kind of like this blue hollow speckled goodness in this. So I am doing this in real time. So this is going to be a little bit of a longer tutorial. I think it's about 20 minutes. And I do everything in real time. I cut out all the other stuff that's like not fun and exciting, but I do leave it in real time. So I will be coming in and out during the tutorial so I don't bore you, but here I just go ahead and put this all over the nail, and then I come back in with a second coat.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So now we are taking Justice, which is kind of like a purpley blue. I was thinking it's like your perfect navy, but the more I wear it, the more I'm like, does this look purple? So, I mean, it goes with the theme just fine. I don't have a navy. I have to like reevaluate my like whole collection because I don't have a navy. Like, what? So anyway, so this is a buttercream. So this, I'm doing the sandwich technique, which you do a thin layer or two. I've just been doing one layer lately, and it's been great. So I will just do one layer on the pinky, and then I will do a partial layer on the pointer finger here. And then on the middle finger, I will do a full layer.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me.
Now we are taking this beautiful, like silvery purple, but it's like silvery, but it also kind of like has this little bit of a purple sheen. I think you could see it more in the pot than you can on the actual nails, but it is beautiful. This I mean, I don't want to say it's one of my favorite colors for winter because it technically didn't make it in there, but I hadn't used it before that. This is beautiful. So I think this may be a color you want to grab if you don't have it already. I'm just saying.
Down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained.
And this, hands down, is probably my favorite color, glitter. Glitter gel, not color. Glitter gel. Because just wait for it. And it's blurry. Just wait for it. Oh, it's amazing. It's like your best, like, hollow, but it's like the best parts of hollow glitter, chunky angel paper goodness. It's like the purple, pinks, and like light blue. And I think using that silver, like, was it Skating in Sweden, something like that, that it pulled the most beautiful colors. And it looks completely different over that blue, as you can see there, when I do kind of Selena's like smoky technique for that nail. It is just absolutely amazing.
In my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Snow cone is a hidden secret. I swear by this because this actually, I have a whole like set of nails on this like specific one. If you want me to go into more detail on like how I do this nail, I have a whole tutorial, which ironically this tutorial was uploaded on my main channel before I switched to this channel. So this was before she even had a tutorial on how to do this. I just was playing with the different colors, and then she said that her tip was snow cone, and my mind was blown. So she meaning Liz from the Nail Hub. So this is like my secretly favorite nail. I don't know. I like them all. I like all these nails. I don't think I can decide what's my favorite. And then After Dark or Midnight, I just missed the name. I feel like it's Midnight. This is amazing. This was perfect for Justice. So if you want to do just this beautiful kind of deep blue for Christmas with like purple, this is your color. Like this literally is your color, and I absolutely love it.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
So now we are going to go ahead and do our apex. So I am taking One Step. Thank God One Step is back. If you watch some of my Christmas tutorials that are coming up, I use Cool Gel, and it was really hard to use for me. You would think it's the same. It's not. And I think it's cold in my office, so it just got really cold. Anyway, side rant, one step. I missed you. Thank God I ordered more. And technically my mom got it for me for Christmas, so I can't get it yet, but I have enough to get me to there. Yeah, so I go ahead and put that slip layer down, and then I take a glob down the nail. This one is a little bit thicker than I anticipated, meaning like the base color underneath because of that that glitter gel. So I didn't take too much of the one step, but then I didn't have enough for like the middle area. So that's when I went ahead and grabbed more and then flipped it upside down. I did play with it a little bit. So I'm going to show you one more in real time with that slip layer. And then you'll see I grab more. Sorry, I didn't realize I'm out of focus. I need to turn that off. I completely forgot. So the slip layer went down, and then that larger chunk is going to be picked up, and I put it kind of not quite at the cuticle, but if you see, I kind of like pillow it or like push down on the gel to make it go to the back. I probably shouldn't do that, but I always do, and it works out fine. And then I crawl it down the nail, which this one was much easier to do than the thumb, and it just worked out way better. I like smaller nails better. So I am just going to fast forward the next 3 nails. Okay, now I have buffed, filed, all that good stuff, shaped, and I'm coming in with my second layer. And here I am just taking that Justice buttercream and putting it all over the nail. So Selena Ryden has a full tutorial on how to do this, and it is amazing. So I am essentially doing this exact same thing. I am taking the white buttercream though. I'm not using the gel paint that she used because I think literally their buttercreams are very similar to their gel paints. Granted, I've never used it, but it literally looks like a buttercream. So I don't know if there's just a little bit of a different formulation for the buttercream than the gel paint. Because like you can mix buttercreams up and get them like kind of very similar to normal gel, but these are thicker. I don't know. So here I am taking some alcohol, not acetone, alcohol. I don't know what acetone would do, just alcohol is fine. And ironically, the more the merrier here. Like the first time I did this, I didn't do a lot and I had to rewatch her tutorial. I'm like, why is mine not like going out as much? So I go back in, dab off my brush onto like a paper towel, get some more, dab it off, get some more, take some of the color away. You'll see I come in and just take some of that color away because it was just too much and I wanted more see-through kind of parts. So again, this is Selena's technique that I learned from her, and she has a full tutorial and maybe can explain it better than I can. But dab some alcohol on literally the white that you just put all over your nail. And then I'm going to cure that. This is like the bane of my existence, striping. If you watch my Christmas tutorial, which is not up, I guarantee this is going up before that. It's like a candy cane one. The struggle is real, and Clear Jelly Stamper just came out with a plate that literally does what I tried to do in hand painting, and I was so sad that I did not know about that plate before I attempted this tutorial. So yeah, I'm just outlining the entire nail. I am taking Kira Sky white top coat. I half forgot what I was saying during that. And I am just very carefully doing this, making sure I get it all over that nail. Very smooth, kind of just really saturating it without obviously trying to let it flood away, because I find this can flood real easily. Oh, and there was a piece of hair, of course there was. And then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. And we're back with the chrome powder. So this is that blue powder, and I don't push too hard. I do push it in there, but I kind of just glide it across. I don't know. I just am paranoid that I'm gonna scrape it too hard and then it's not gonna stick. Does that make sense? I'm gonna just scrape the tacky layer off, which there is no tacky layer, but if somehow it works. I don't know. It's magic. So I'm going to take that top coat all over the rest of the nail, and they will cure, and that's going to finish it up. So I will let you guys see the finished results at the end, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a good night. Bye-bye.